Hello, in this video I wanted to show you how to easily make a sitemap for your website. I recently just had to do this. I realized that I didn't have one and Google wasn't properly crawling and finding and indexing my website. So I'm going to show you how to do this very quickly, easily, and of course, like always, for free. So here's my sitemap XML file. I've already created this once. I'm just going to do it again. The first thing we need to do is head over to Google, and we're going to type in xmlsitemaps.com. This website is awesome. It's easy. They do it for free. All you need to do is go here, and then in step 1, we're going to type in our URL. So type in your web address here. I'll just use this one here. Change frequency. We can either set this to none, always. I'll just put monthly because I update my website monthly, so you would choose the appropriate frequency for your website. Last modification, we can use the server's response. Priority, we can set it to none, but I'm actually going to check automatically calculate priority, and we can just click on start. That'll automatically create a sitemap for our website. And we can see here that it's doing something, it's loading. Time left, it looks like about 20 seconds, and we'll just wait for this to finish. Okay, great. Now that it's finished, we can download the file by just clicking here. That'll download the file. There it is. I'll drag it to my desktop. And here we have some steps. So the second step is to check that the sitemap is showing for you at, and here's the directory. Here's the link to the sitemap. Now, the sitemap won't be on this website because I haven't uploaded it to my servers. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to upload this file here, the sitemap, to the root directory of our website. Now, I do this by using an FTP client. So here is FileZilla. I'll include a download link to download FileZilla. It's a great program. It's free and it's super easy to use. So here's FileZilla. I'll just go ahead and enter in my credentials to log into FileZilla. I've already done that. If you need your credentials, what you'll need to do is go to your hosting provider. My hosting provider is Bluehost. So I would go to Bluehost.com, I'll log in, and I'll go to my FTP server settings to get my login credentials for my website. You might have Yahoo, you might have GoDaddy, you could have anybody. So you'll need to get that information, those FTP login settings from your hosting provider. Once you get it, you'll put in the host, username, your password, you'll connect, and you'll see all of the files in your back end for your website. So for me, I'll click on public HTML. Here's my sound icon missing folder. So here is my root directory for this website. I'll take my sitemap. Notice how there's a 2 parentheses in my sitemap name. I'll want to make sure that that gets removed so that it only says sitemap.xml. So I'll rename the file and I'll drag and drop that file into the root directory for my website. That'll upload. Now I'll go back to sitemaps.com, and you'll see here it says go to your Google Webmasters account and add your sitemap URL. So I'll click on that link. If you don't already have a Google Webmaster Tools, I highly recommend it. All you need is a Gmail account. Just go to google.com/Gmail if you need to create a Gmail account, but you'll go to google.com/webmasters, and you'll log in. I've already done that. You can see that I have my websites here. Now, here's my sound icon missing website. I'll just simply click on that website, and if it's not here already, if you need to add it, you would click on add a site. You'd enter in the URL of your website. It will show up in this list. I'll click on mine, And what I want to do is I want to click on crawl over here on the left, and I'm going to click on sitemaps, and I'm going to add/test to sitemap, and I'm going to enter in the URL to my sitemap. So it would be this name here, sitemap.xml. I'm going to click on submit a sitemap. That'll submit the sitemap. We can refresh the page, and you can see that it has found the sitemap. It's submitted. Web pages 15 submitted. And it looks like it's processing right now. So let's just see if we can test this. Test. So we'll click on this button here, test sitemap, after we put in sitemap.xml. Test sitemap. Test complete. View the results. And it looks like no errors were found. So that's really all you need to do to create a sitemap, upload it to your server, and add it to Google search engine so that they will properly crawl your website. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If you have any questions about this process, please feel free to leave a comment. I'll try and get back to you. I know everybody has a different website with a different hosting provider and a different method to upload and manage files on their server, so please feel free to ask any questions that you might have. Hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.